Welcome to the Millhouse Museum at the end of a lamplit street in Occoquan, Virginia. The dwelling itself is actually the miller's house of the burned down Ellicott's Mill, which may have been the area's first fully automated grist mill. It presently houses exhibits on the mill itself, where it started life as an ironworks, then turned into a grist mill, and the mill's eventual demise in the 1920s due to a generator fire. There are exhibits on the mills and the area's role in the ACW, how the area survived devastating flooding, its renovation by the Historical Society in the 1970s, and how the local utility company leases the building to the Historical Society. See the links below for the town's page of the museum, the Mills Historical Marker database page, as well as a link to the HMDB's page on the town, as there are over a dozen other markers within walking distance of this building. And consider clicking the like button if you enjoyed exploring with us here at VR Virtual Studio.